Good morning, students. In my last lecture, I explained shadow. On the basis of formation of shadow, other phenomenon is eclipse. You know how shadow is formed? When source of light is obstructed by an opaque object, then shadow is formed. Like sun is source of light, but the earth and moon are not. And earth and moon are also opaque. So when sunlight falls on the earth or the moon, they also cast shadow. So the eclipse of the sun and the moon, which some of you may have seen occur because of these shadow. Now children, solar eclipse. What is solar eclipse? When the sun, the moon and the earth come in a straight line with the moon in the middle. So shadow of the moon may fall on some portion of the earth. Then a solar eclipse can be seen from these areas on the earth. So children, in region C, so this is C region, you can see sun will be blocked totally as these places and a total solar eclipse can be seen. In the rest of the region like A and B, these regions sun will be partially blocked by the moon and a partial solar eclipse can be seen. So children, during a solar eclipse, the dark side of the moon faces the earth. So therefore, a solar eclipse will always take place on a new moon day. New moon day, children, when there is no moon in the sky, like that is also called Amavasya. Children, during a total solar eclipse, a bright ring called the diamond ring appears in the sky for a short period, and it is a spectacular view. It was observed in several parts of the India during the total solar eclipse of 24th October 1995, and we observed last solar eclipse on June 21, 2020, when we could see the ring of fire. Now children, next is lunar eclipse. So what is lunar eclipse? In a lunar eclipse, the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. You can see children, when the sun, earth and moon come in a straight line with the earth in the middle, shadow of the earth falls on the moon. When the moon is in a position of A, you can see this A position. No light from the sun falls on it. It is observed as total lunar eclipse. Clear? In a position of B, a partial lunar eclipse can be seen. So when a lunar eclipse occurs, its bright side faces the earth. So that is a lunar eclipse occurs on a full moon day, like that is of Purnamashi, and we also have Rakhi on Purnamashi day during full moon day. Is it clear children? Now next is shadow and image. Children, figure A. You can see this is shadow, and you also know when you see your face in the mirror. So this is your image. So now what is the difference between shadow and image? So when you stand in front of a plain mirror, you can see image and your shadow. Now we will compare between shadow and an image. A shadow is black while the image is of same color as the object. A shadow is similar in shape to the object but show no other details about the object, and an object is not only of the same shape as the object but has all the details that the object has. So why are the differences between a shadow and an image? Children, a shadow is formed when light from a source is obstructed by an opaque object. A shadow is the area where no light falls. Therefore, it is black. And the image of an object is formed in different way. An image, say by a plane mirror, is formed when light from the object